The baffling stuff researchers call dim matter stays a massive secret. Be that as it may, in the event that we at any point figure out how to connect with it, the potential outcomes could be uncommon, and could incorporate a development-moving new energy source. In another meeting with Futurism about a proposed NASA mission to concentrate on the undetectable substance, Yeshiva University's Ed Belbruno, the co-author of a new report and one of the planners of the proposition, portrayed, in addition to other things, the potential for DIM make a difference to be utilized as fuel for space travel. It's impossible to say how you can manage it, when we figure out what it is, the mathematician told us. My conjecture is, on the grounds that it makes light divert while you're taking a gander at different cosmic systems, that it's a really strong material, and it tends to be utilized as an energy source, presumably. As Belbruno told Futurism, nobody knows what makes up dull matter, and accordingly, it's basically impossible to say, yet, what precisely it can do. While the idea of outfitting dull matter or in any event, representing it in computations the manner in which mariners accomplish for the draw of tides is extremely great, there is one significant proviso. It could require a long investment to arrive. How we would concentrate that energy source would perhaps be many years or millennia away, Belbruno said. In any case, in the event that you could concentrate it, you would have a limitless stockpile of energy in space to control rocket, and this would simply be totally past what we could envision right now, what you could follow through with something like that. My conjecture is that the potential material that dim matter is made of would upset how we might interpret science, he added, and might just permit us to make star drives, which could be utilized in space apparatus that could navigate interstellar distances.